step on it, and I'm gonna let y'all hear that stuttering. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, now I don't want to do it. Now I don't want to do it. Okay, box Chevy. Okay. YouTube, what's poppin', man? You know that ground next time. And shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell of rain, man. And hey, man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. Excuse my Invisalign. That's what it is. So if you roast me in the comments, I'm gonna flame you. Nah, just playing. But yeah, we're gonna be changing up spark plugs on the box Chevy. But check out the new wheels though. Got the new wheels on there. 15-inch rallies. I took them 22s off. Cause if I'm gonna go rims, I'm gonna go real rim. Then was kind of like just some low key getaway wheels that was on there. Some 22s. I'm selling those. If you want to buy them, I got them sale $400. Might need some tires, but got the spark plugs here, so I'm gonna be changing that. But check out the engine bay. I got it cleaned up. I don't know if y'all remember from the last video, but you can go back and watch it. I had a whole bunch of wires in there, like showing. I went on Instagram Live, and then I started chopping them away. And you can see I like taped these right here, so that way it kind of blend in a little better. I just got to tuck them a little. I'm gonna tuck them a little better, zip tie them, make it look a little bit more presentable. And then you see I got the simple green here. Been cleaning it up around here. I sprayed it all down, cleaned it up. I'm gonna do the same thing with the fender well, so that way when I pop the hood, it'll look nice under here. And I did also, I've been doing a lot of stuff actually. But yeah, I cleaned out this. It had a bunch of sludge in there, but now it's pretty clean. Let me check it out. Yeah, now it's pretty clean in there. You see, that's the bottom of it. It ain't got no more sludge in there. So I'm good. I got the battery charging too right now. But yeah. So we cleared all that stuff out, cleaned out the engine bay, tucked all the wires that was kind of over here chilling. I got to do something about that red wire that's running, but that's no big deal. But yeah, we about to get these plugs changed. You do one at a time. I also change these hoses too. But yeah, one at a time when you're changing your spark plugs, man. Don't get confused and mix up the distributor cap. Then you'll be backfiring. I know you want to crackle and pop, but this ain't the type of car to do that in. So you take out one plug, take out the wire, take out one wire, take out the spark plug real quick, take it out, put the other one back in, pop this back on. You don't want to take all four of them off and then you don't know which way they go back on, and then you got to look up a diagram and then try to guess and all that. But we ain't doing all that, so that's how we're gonna do it. But yeah, check out how the 15 sit. It's 15 by 6 in the front, and then 15 by 7 in the back. So these are staggered. The wheels in the back 275. These up here 235s. Brand new Cobra tires on the rally wheel. I gotta drop the car. He got some knuckles in the spring. You can't see it, but I'm trying to drop him. But this plane messing up the video, so I'm gonna start on the spark plugs and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all. So I'm back. I'm back with the results. It's running a lot. Well, I'm gonna take y'all for a ride along. So, but I don't know if y'all seen, but I got my coveralls on. You know what I'm saying? You see, I got the KDs on. This is my work clothes right here. So this is what I work in. And you see the hat. The hat got the faded. You know what I'm saying? Because they've been out in the sun, so it's faded. This is my work hat. These my work clothes. So when I want to come get dirty. But check it out, y'all. I cleaned out I cleaned off the wheels. I got the blue off the wheels, and I sprayed down the car and I wiped it down a little bit. So check it out. Yeah, it look a whole lot better with the white. Let me close the door. So that window don't work right now. It got the motor work, but it's off track, so I got to get that fixed. But yeah, check it out. I got the spark plug change and everything, but now we got the white wall. This is the look I was going for. Like, I can cruise around like this normal, and I just like the way it look. Even though it need body work and everything, it's a 86, or what you expect, you know. But yeah, I got the hog on the front. I'm from Little Rock, if y'all didn't know. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas. So that's why I got this somewhat country accent. But anyways, yeah. Check it out. I got the new plugs in there. So that wire back there, this harness right here, I had to zip tie it in. This big harness. I had to zip tie it in because it was starting to get on the header down there and started smoking. And I didn't want to have no fire. I seen Box Chevy P video. He said his car almost caught on fire. So I'm gonna get me a fire extinguisher so I can keep in the car too. just in case, because I don't want my investment to go up in smoke. So shout out to him for bringing that awareness. But yeah, the rallies, the 275s on the back sit nice, especially with the white, man. It just looked 10 times better. I'm gonna get that window fixed and I think we'll be good. Uh-oh, now the fire truck's pulling up. Hopefully everybody all right. Ain't looking too good though. Yeah. So I wiped it down. I'm gonna try to get the windows a little more clean because I still got the smear marks in it. It's hard to get it out. I'm gonna try to spray it down. Yeah. Clean, y'all. It's a cruiser now. I still got the back seat out because I pressure wash. I'm stuttering. I sprayed down the back seat. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner now. Got the floor mats in here. I got all the stains out the seat. They nice. Got me some floor mats. I cleaned the steering wheel. Remember I had a zip tie on the steering wheel. That's gone. And you remember all them wires was hanging? And you remember when I popped the hood on the first video, like it pulls smooth now. It ain't loose. I installed the brake lever on there. He had a brake lever in there. I took this off when I took off all of this, and I installed the fan. I don't know if you heard the fans kick on, but you see that red light? I went ahead and I hard installed it because it was hanging down here with zip ties, and we want that professional look. So did that. I took the radio out, so I'm probably give me a single den. I don't need nothing crazy. This ain't nothing but just a little cruiser. I already got me some speakers in the house. I'm gonna give me an amp. Probably gonna offer up because that's where I get all my deals from. Get a whole lot of deals. Hey, y'all remember? Shout out to Steve Davis. He had called me out when I said I was gonna put the tape on the dash. Yeah, think it's a game. I got that thing on there. You see that tape on there? Yeah. So that orange check engine light not on no more. I'm gonna give me a new. I think I'm gonna get a billet. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna see what I can do. It's only like $60 online. Give me a billet. Give me all billet stuff right here. This right here, and then I think it comes with something else. I think you can't change this out because it's hard in, so it ain't bad. It's just kind of. I can use a new one. I might get another one. I don't know. Ooh, I need to see if the cruise control work. That's what I'm gonna check. I'm gonna check that next. So I'm about to go get the oil changed. I was gonna change the oil myself, but man, I was on the phone with E-Vapors for about 3 hours. I've been working on this car for 3 hours, so I'm good on working on it. I think I'm gonna just take it to a drive-through, go ahead and get that, go to Jiffy Lube like I always do. Shout out Jiffy Lube. And go and get that oil change, get that fresh oil in here. I just got off the freeway. It's still kind of sputtering, so I'm gonna get wires now. And I'm gonna put some more wires on there so that way, hopefully that stopped the problem. But it ride pretty decent. I feel like I can't get the gas pedal. I can't get the gas pedal to go down far enough. Boy, I'm ashy. God. I've been working, y'all. But yeah, I'm trying to get the gas pedal to go down further. I seen somebody, they bent theirs in or something, but I ain't trying to do all that. But you see kind of like, it ain't that much room. I need more leverage. So I might have to like bend this pole back so that way I can push it down even further. But yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna get this oil changed, then we'll go from there. Peace out. Alright, y'all, so this the first ride in the box Chevy, man. With everything changed, all the fluids changed, except for the oil. That's where I'm going right now. Now I'm gonna have to let down the window. This thing ain't got no AC. That's why I said I can't do the no AC thing. Sheesh. I don't know how y'all do it, but you hear that stuttering. That's what we got to get addressed. I think it's the carburetor, but I can't prove it though. I know it's loud because this is 350. It got flow masters on it. Got 2 dual flow masters. It got hooker headers on it. So it's gonna be a little loud. So sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna step on it and I'm gonna let y'all y'all hear that stuttering, you know what I'm talking about.